The Kelley and Dawson service team is qualified, local, fair, and ready to take your call for maintenance or replacement of your heating and air system. For more than 58 years, we have continued to provide exceptional service for the complete comfort of our customers. We take the time to assess your needs and provide the best and most appropriate heating and cooling solutions. We do it all, start to finish, with no subcontractors, and our own sheet metal shop allows us to custom design the best heating and cooling system for your home. We service all brands and have earned the Trained Comfort Specialist status for being the best in every aspect of our business, from installation, service, and customer satisfaction. Call Kelley and Dawson Service, your Trained Comfort Specialist, at 263-7201, night or day.